In this video, I'm going to show you how to fly a plane in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open Google Earth Pro, and then over here, you want to go to Tools, top left, and then in here, as you can see, it says Enter Flight Simulator. You could also use Control plus Alt plus A on your keyboard, which is the keyboard shortcut. Now, whenever you do this over here, you'll be able to configure your flight, so you can go and select your aircraft. You have two of them. You have the F-16 and you have the SR-22. So it's going to tell you what exactly these two are in case you're not familiar. So just pick the one that you want and then you can move to the next step. So you have to select your start position. You could go and start in your current view with Control and A, or you could go and start at a specific airport. So there's going to be a bunch of different ones you can choose between. So you have, for example, Los Angeles, you have London, you have New York, etc. You can pick one or go current view, okay? So I'm just going to click on current view over here, and if you want joystick support, you can do that over here as well. Now when you're ready, you can just click on start flight, and there we go, you're gonna start your flight. Now the basic controls are going to be with your of course, I just crashed right now, as you can see. There we go, I'm going to resume flight. So the basic controls are going to be on your arrows on your keyboard, okay? So you can view it like this. You can just click and drag using your mouse. So if I click and drag, it's going to basically rotate my plane, or I could go and use the arrows on my keyboard as well. Now it's going to take some getting used to, as you can see over here. Even I, and I have tested this earlier before making this video, am not a pro at it by no means, but yeah, you can get very familiar with this if you actually practice it, okay? So the main thing are going to be the arrow keys, and then there's like a Control and H, which is going to open up the complete list on the Google support page. So if you tap on Control and H, let me actually crash over here. I'm going to show you. So it's going to open this thing over here, which allows you to basically see all the tools you can use. So right now over here, there's like a bunch of different things you can read about, and then you can basically take these tips into actual practice over here on your flights, okay? So that's essentially how to fly a plane inside Google Earth Pro. It's not that hard, but not that easy either. It takes some getting used to, and yeah, good luck with your flight. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.